Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Thoughts on Education, an initiative by College Dunia. Today, we have with us Ms. Risha Roy from Anant National University. Ma'am, would you please provide a small introduction for our viewers?
Hi, my name is Risha Roy. I am currently the faculty candidate for Sustainable Fashion and Textile program at Anant. A little on my background, I come from my undergraduation is from Left Delhi in fashion design, and my post graduation I've done from National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad. Uh, I've been on the field for the last decade or so, and I've been teaching since 8 years plus, and I've just developed this program after very intense research and a lot of R&D, and this program is very uniquely developed that we're going to talk about today.
So, ma'am, my first question to you is what is the latest program that you're offering in your department which will help students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
So before I answer that question, I'm going to give you a little context to the course that we're talking about. So this is a very unique program that we're talking about: sustainable fashion and textile design. Why sustainability? Because if you're aware of what is happening around you, the climate change and everything about it, this course somehow addresses or somehow gives you a way out. Probably there is some hope. So this course basically is sustainability is a subject in the making, and it's evolving every day in every form. It's a subject that requires action and reaction with immediate efficacy, and that is the key to understanding holistic sustainability, and that lies in extensive research, documentation, interpretation, and solution generation. After all, fashion and textile are the largest pollutant of the world. And so, coming down to the first question, this program basically integrates fashion and textile together, which is not the case in any other design school. And textile being the raw material for fashion, and vice versa. So we're offering the program together with it anchored in sustainability.
So, ma'am, what are the factors that makes this program the best for the students to opt?
This program is draws from the field of fashion and textile technology and sustainability. It basically imparts a very, very unique and a very comprehensive learning of conscious fashion, and that's the need of the hour currently. It explores processes, materials, forms, silhouettes, and communication based on the environmental, social, and cultural and economical imperatives. This program aims to create solutionaries that will be tracking the problem of extensive exploitation of natural resources and probably give you a stopgap solution to the current context.
So, ma'am, what will you say are the best practices in the course that you're offering?
So the course is very hands-on, and we ensure there is a lot of experiential learning, which is very, very important for young designers to internalize and get their own understanding of a certain subject, and especially in the field of fashion and textiles, which within both indigenous and industrial systems of creation and production. The program is built on skills such as material storytelling, research tools and techniques, digital creations and tools, and management and critical analysis of a physical and a digital product, among many, many other aspects.
So, ma'am, my next question is how did you train yourself to deliver this program to the students?
So this program is very, very unique. We really don't get the right teachers, or there is no content as such created. So we are evolving a lot of case studies that we're doing as research as part of the department. We also getting a lot of practitioners from the field of sustainable fashion and textile. They come and engage with the students. So there is a lot of synergy happening between the industry as well as the academicians to get the right content delivered to the students. That's how we go through very extensive research, and that's how we get our program content.
ma'am, before we wrap up, my last question to you is for the budding design aspirants, for an insight that what are the types of projects that students are working on through this program at Anant National University?
So we have a very very primary philosophy that we do not believe in mindless creation. So we have courses centered around very very consciously curating and building your work, and so we have very interesting projects on repurposing. People have picked up rags and they've made collections out of it. People are repurposing materials. They are mending and repairing, which is not really talked about. We have courses which we have projects which are also actually looking at changing the behavior of a user, and that is very very critical and important because it talks about reducing the consumption overall, and we wouldn't be in this problem if we weren't overtly consuming or mindlessly consuming. So the projects are very very interesting. One of the very interesting project that's ongoing right now is the Indian Jugaad project, which talks about the frugality and the blend of innovation with it. So that is working for the classroom.
So, with that, we come to an end to this episode of Thoughts in Education. I would like to thank Risha ma'am for taking out time from her schedule to speak to budding design aspirants who are interested in pursuing bachelor's in design from Anant National University. Thank you very much, ma'am.